MANO 5, the easy-to-use lightweight magnifier from Reinecker Vision. The electronic magnifying glass MANO 5 weighs approximately 200 grams. The handy format makes it a constant companion in a wide variety of life situations. Read your morning newspaper in peace or magnify the photos of your grandchildren. The handle included in the scope of delivery and the integrated writing stand as well as the diverse functions enable easy and intuitive use in all life situations. MANO 5 has many false color displays and a magnification range of 4 to 20x, continuous magnification when used as a close-up magnifier. If the MANO 5 is held freely over the desired template with its handle, the enlargement can even begin to be significantly smaller. The freeze function saves individual images and the integrated writing stand helps you to take notes, for example. Electronic magnifier for mobile use from Reinecker Vision.